Today's PCs look different because they are different. Speed, security, durability, and great design. You can have it all in a modern PC. First, let's talk about design. Thin, light, sleek. A modern PC not only looks good, it feels good too. It doesn't weigh a ton, and that's because it has a solid-state drive, also called SSD. SSDs are much thinner and lighter than traditional hard disk drives. That's why modern PCs are thin, light, sleek. They're also fast. Startups are up to 3 times faster, and your apps open quicker and are more responsive, meaning you can have multiple programs open at once without issues. Modern PCs with SSD are extremely efficient and consume less power, meaning you get more battery life. SSDs have fewer moving parts, meaning less can go wrong. This makes modern PCs very durable too. Most modern PCs come with Office 2019 and the latest features like Windows Hello, Windows Ink, Touch or Voice, so you can bring your ideas, your work, your vision to life. Combine all of this with a genuine Windows 10 and you are set up for success as you get built-in security, ongoing detection and protection from threats, and many other safety features. This makes modern PCs extremely secure. So there you have it, a modern PC with Windows 10 and Office 2019, powered by solid-state drive. It is thin and light, fast and secure, has a battery life that lasts, and it looks good too. Modern hair, the solid hair.